to HD. And I'm here to show you another creation that you can make with these. Okay, let me start building! Alrighty, we have it now. I'm just going to have to get the character and show you the minifigure. Alright, now we have the character.
Robot construction worker.
Robot construction worker. He has a saw, a helmet with this hair thing, and the robot body. Now, I'm going to show you where you could fit him in like places. He has a seat. Woo! I forgot the bench went right here, but this is where the bench goes. So here we have it. So see you later, everybody. Wait, I have to show you the features. There's the hook, and then there's these two blocks actually don't go there. That's just a hole with black. These things are just a couple blocks that are supposed to go right here so we can build with them. Oh, well, I'm just going to need to build with you this. Okay, I forgot. This thing has to go. All right, now, let's build. Wee! I have an idea. I can make a camera. This is the thing it shows you make with the thing in this. Okay, this is a camera.
All right, so see you later.
Put it together. Okay,
all right, so
then you put it together, and then you put it right there. Like right there, and there's a toy you got right there. You got a toy. So that then there's also another feature. There's some wood pieces right here. You can build with those too. There's this the big construction thing. There's the camera. Now bye bye.